for the police to arrest them and detain them for investigation. If it's a serious offense, that will be about 34 hours of detention. And in that time, you can investigate. Hulihin talaga ninyo at ipasok ninyo sa selda. Again, I am ordering the police to arrest black marketeers. Dalhin sa istasyon, pasok muna dyan sa selda without exception. Without exception. Kay ang may-ari, lahat